iSecretShop provides a dynamic shopper interface that is both user-friendly and flexible. It includes a comprehensive desktop website that works interchangeably with a fully functional mobile app that is available through both Apple and Google Play app stores. We encourage all shoppers to download the app so you can get immediate notifications and complete and submit your projects while you are still on site. iSecretShop is not a mystery shopping broker or an MSB. We are a software platform where shoppers can advertise their services to dozens of market research companies and MSBs and find available opportunities. iSecretShop does not pay shoppers or offer assignments. All shoppers are considered independent contractors and contracted with the MSBs to perform evaluations on a sporadic case-by-case basis. You have complete control over how frequently you mystery shop, and you have the ability to express interest in or reject as many shops as you would like. Similarly, MSBs can pick and choose which contractors they use. The first step is registering, either through the website or the application. You must be 18 or older to register. You may only have one account with iSecretShop, and you must use your real name or your legal business name. Remember, MSBs will be paying you, and by law, they need to know who they are paying. Once you are registered, you may log in. If at any time you forget your password, you can request a reset password link by clicking the Forgot Password button.
Browsers and mobile browsers frequently save passwords.
So make sure to retype your new password into the password field. If you have any issues logging in, you can contact support at iSecretShop.com for assistance. From the shopper dashboard or app home screen, you can access every part of the iSecretShop system. ISS Prep gives shoppers an opportunity to take courses and receive certifications for general ISS navigation, like ISS Course 101, or for specialized courses specific to projects. We strongly recommend taking the ISS 101 and 102 courses to help solidify your understanding of the way that iSecretShop operates, as well as the roles of our partner MSBs. You can also earn up to 125 points for completing both of these courses. It is a good time to mention points and badges. The more points you have, the higher your reputation badge rank grows. The higher your rank, the more shops you can self-assign. There are also a wide variety of badges awarded for doing specific types of projects. Again, the more badges and higher badge ranks, the more MSBs will assign to you. The support ticket system is where shoppers can contact ISS for technical support. If you have shop-specific or payment-specific questions, please reach out to the responsible MSB. The Secret Shop Forum is a great resource for all shoppers. As you can see here, this forum opens a portal for you to be able to communicate with other shoppers, share stories, and learn more about the mystery shopping industry overall. Some great conversations have been started on the forum, and we encourage you to utilize it responsibly. The iSecretShop.com website has a quick access menu. We have provided you with quick links to your assigned shops, available web and phone shops, opinion polls, pending payments, and requests. These are some of the most clicked on menu options, and adding these links further enhances your navigation experience. There are several types of messages found in shopper announcements or the general notifications that are sent out to everyone, messages about open shops, and RFAs or requests for attention. RFAs are sent to you and only you and are specific to a current project that you have. On the website, you can see the opinion poll display, which shows the results of the opinion polls that are currently running.
You can vote in opinion polls on the website by clicking on the Opinion Polls button on the left-hand side menu. Then select the Click Here button and cast your vote.
On the app, there is a list of poll questions you can answer. Often, opinion polls will award you points towards your reputation badge. Now that we have the basics out of the way, let's talk about some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to navigating your shopper profile. Accepting MSB contracts and the ISS terms of use, updating extended demographics information, accepting shop opportunities, payment questions, and filling out shop reports. In order to accept shops, it is first mandatory to accept the ISS terms of use. To do this, navigate to Accept ISS TOU on the website or TOU on the app. Read the terms, and if you agree to them, then sign. Type your name at the bottom of the page here and click Submit. The process is almost identical to signing the MSB contract. Navigate to Provider Contracts and Policies on the website or MSP Agreements on the app. Select the MSB that you would like to work with by clicking View and Accept Contract. Read and review the page and provide a digital signature at the bottom of the page here. It is here that you can also find all of the details about how each MSB pays shoppers, on what cycle, by which method, etc., as well as contact information should you have any additional questions after reading their policies. To enter extended demographics information, simply navigate to Extended Demographics, where all of the demographics options are listed in alphabetical order. For example, you would like to enter your PayPal information. You will need to scroll down until you see the word PayPal. You will then input your PayPal email address, not your paypal.me, and click Submit at the bottom of the page.
It is both very helpful and encouraged to complete your extended profile as thoroughly as possible, as some projects require shoppers with specific attributes. For example, those who use a certain cellular provider, drive a particular vehicle type, have previous bartending experience, possess video surveillance equipment, and many other options.
If you wish to make major changes to your profile, such as updating your name or gender, please upload a photo of your valid government-issued ID to your extended profile and reach out to iSecretShop to make the update. To find shop opportunities in the iSecretShop system, simply click on Available Shops or Phone and Web Shops. Phone and web shops are simply shops that can be done from home through the phone or a website. You can search for available projects near your home address or any other location by simply entering the city or zip code. You can also search near your current location if you are using the application. You can filter by distance or by category. Once you have found an interesting opportunity, click View Details, where you can review the guidelines, payment terms, time frame, when the shop needs to be conducted, and so on and so forth. If you wish to request the project, enter the day when you will do the shop and hit Submit. At this point, you will get an alert telling you the status of your request. You might be self-assigned immediately. Another option is that the shop will be requested by you. This will happen if you attempt to schedule a shop that is set up as by request only, if you've already met your current self-assign limit, or if you have negative points. If your status is requested, please note this project has not been assigned to you. You can review the request by clicking on the Requests menu option. You can also cancel your request here with no point penalty to your account. Schedulers that work for MSBs and not iSecretShop will review your request and accept or decline it. Once they do, you will be notified of their decision. If you have any questions about the request, please contact the scheduler and not iSecretShop. If you are assigned a shop, you will receive an email with the complete guidelines and form questionnaire. The project will also appear in your assigned shops list. It is important you complete the shop on the day you committed to doing it. If you need to cancel a project, you can do so from the assigned shop section. In some cases, the scheduler may allow rescheduling, and if this is allowed, a reschedule button will also be available. Once you have accepted a shop, you can access all of the shop details, including guidelines, MSB contact information, and the form itself by clicking on Assigned Shops, and then clicking View and Complete Shop next to the shop if you have multiple assignments you want to review or complete. This page will give you access to all of the information that you need. This includes the scheduler contact information, the assigned date, the time frame in which the shop can be completed, and any and all guidelines. Each icon represents a different section of the form. All you need to do is click the section, fill out all of the questions within that section, and click Submit. Once you have filled out all of the sections and input a start and finish time, and this will be the time you began the actual inspection and the time you left the location or ended the call, you can click Finalize at the top of the page. If you receive an error message, read the error carefully, as it will tell you what the problem is and where it is in the form. For instance, check start time could mean that you entered a date that is in the future, or you entered an end time that was before the start time. It will also tell you if there was an unanswered question or incompletely answered question. Recorded phone shops are handled using click-to-call technology. Simply enter your phone number and click the button in the guidelines. Your phone will ring, answer it, press 1 when prompted, then the recording will begin and you will be directly connected to the target location. The completed recording will be automatically attached to the shop form within a few minutes of concluding the call. We hope you enjoy being a shopper on iSecretShop. If you have any questions about the platform or any technical support issues, please reach out to us using the ticket buttons on the app and the website. Or you can send us an email at support@iSecretShop.com.